Test. Here we go. Let's go. Power hour. Let's see what kind of news we got. Guys, Tesla pulled on back. This is why I did not trust you, Tesla. I did not trust you here at 686. I had a feeling Powell was going to bring you down for me. We have 5 shares. Something small. I might swing trade this bad boy. Apart from a spike here to 682, literally double bottom price. Makes sense. Pretty good bounce. We're not really seeing that aggressive reversal. We're down 2.2% on Tesla. Tesla drop like it's all yeah. Kevin, welcome back. Where's cousin Tom? Where's cousin Brady? He's been MIA. Yeah, a lot of red today. Very mixed. Very mixed. I know Nasdaq was swinging all over the place. SPY, we're still above 400. How's AMC? 997. GameStop 178. Did 801 pass? No, 801's the final one. DTCC filings. No, it didn't pass. The last one was 5. 801's the final one. I believe that's the liquidation one. I might be getting the mix. 201 or 801. Who said it passed? It might have passed. It might not be updated on here yet. Let's see. It might have passed. Would you buy the Tesla dip and sell before close or sell tomorrow? I'd possibly be a swing trade unless we see some crazy rally before market close. Then yeah. It's not on their website. Yeah, if you can send that on Discord, I appreciate that. What's wrong with the video, Jennifer? I'm checking Discord now. Let me see. Alrighty, 672. Let's set our alert so we don't miss it. I'm trying to find this really quick. Alex, get the ads, man. It's not on the Rob. It doesn't show for me. Look, '05 is the last one. Yeah, it doesn't look like it passed. I don't know who's saying it passed. It might be a rumor. Expect Tesla to drop to the 650s. 660s is where we have that gap close here on Tesla. 660 right here. And just based off a descending triangle pattern, simple breakdown, simple technical breakdown. So we're kind of in a way catching the falling knife here. What's going on, William? Welcome back. Check Fintel. I don't trust Fintel. Fake tell, yeah. Hmm. Oh my God, GameStop guys is losing volume. We're not moving. Here comes Tesla. Triple bottom, 673. I think we might hit the triple six. Unlucky number, power hour, triple six power hour. Let's see if we bounce. Yeah, AMC has always had that weird sell. GameStop and AMC have had that weird sell off into the market close every single time. We've seen that. There's that new low, 672 on the day. It's NSCC, not DTCC. Let's see. I might have gotten confused. You might be right on that. Uh, uh, uh. This is March 5th. No, Powell's on tomorrow as well. He's coming on twice with the double threat. I remember one week we had him back to back to back. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right, come down, Tessa. Yeah, Apple has been crushing it. Oh, it's still hitting new highs. Very interesting when Nasdaq pulling back. Apple hitting new highs. No, Powell's already on, I believe, like an hour ago. How many plates I can bench? Can I bench? Talking about benching, man. I'm gonna after I don't think there'll be a video out tonight for the channel guys. I'm gonna spend the freaking day at the gym just repping out, baby. All right, new low. Let's buy some more Tesla. Let's buy one more share. One more. What could possibly go wrong? Again, I'm at the wrong account. You do not have enough cash. I'm on the wrong account. There we go. There's our play. There we go. We're filled in. We got one more share at 671.23. If it comes down to 666, the triple six is obviously not the best number. I'll add more. What are some other plays right now since you're out of AMC? Viacom Discovery, baby. I think Walmart also had a pretty good day today. Actually, no, we're pretty flat. Yesterday was a great day. I thought we gapped up. Visa, I believe, was the one that continued the momentum. Being 0.21%, hitting a high of 221. I'm out of these plays as well as of yesterday. I believe we sold yesterday or Monday. Viacom is the one I'm not rushing. Still, it's pulling on back, testing some support around 44. 44 is another level Discovery is testing right now around 43. So just be patient on these for a bounce, a recovery play. That's what I'm talking about. Neo, man, that 5 minute set on the 5 minute chart. This is selling off like crazy. On Neo, I'll wait. On Neo, I'll wait. I'll wait for mid 30, low 30s actually. Low 30s on Neo. I believe Neo has a pretty good catalyst coming up, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to look more into that, but this is the type of content that's gonna be new on this channel. Neo, Xpeng, Tesla, all of the tech, all of that is gonna just be the main focus of the channel. Obviously, I'll still cover AMC and GameStop. Um, I probably won't make the focus of the video on that, but I'll throw it in there. If I hop it back in again, I'll mention it. Yeah, I want to hop in on Neo, but just off of technicals, I'm gonna wait. There's that descending triangle here. If it pulls on back, watch the SMA here at 35, at 33. That's why I kind of want to hop in Neo at mid 30s, mid 33 actually. Let's put an alert here at 36, just so we have our attention on there. GameStop 178. I appreciate that, Michael Riley. William, deadlifts are the best compound exercise you can possibly ever do. I love deadlifts. After a couple deadlifts, it has me feeling like an ape. What's up, Joshua? Welcome back. Heath, welcome back. All right, let's wait. What do we got? We got 40 minutes on the clock. Tesla looks like it's about to just sink and fall off a cliff. Guys, remember what we said a couple of days ago when we had the fall here going into on Thursday? On days like these where Tesla is literally pulling back on the five and there's no bounce, what happens? It closes near the lows, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla closes around the triple sixes, mid six levels. We'll see. We'll see, but that's the shot I'm gonna take, and obviously I'm gonna continue adding on the dip, and hopefully tomorrow we have a rip, dip and rip, and get out and sell. What do you think about Palantir? I'm so bullish. I'm so bullish on it long. I've been wanting to buy into Palantir, but the technicals are speaking to me. After this pullback here on the 1 hour from the $27 mark all the way to the $20 mark, look at the 4 hour, kind of broke out here past this downtrend. It looks like it might find some support right around 23. I'm not convinced yet that this might be the support level. Give it some time to flatline. This almost reminds me of the same price action that Churchill CCIV is seeing. So I'm not forcing it. These stocks aren't going anywhere. These stocks aren't going anywhere. Let them base out. Let them find some support. And if it pulls back under 21, I think it'll be a definitely long-term entry for me right around the $15 mark if I'm able to get that cheap. So it's a patience game on this one. Nancy, welcome back. Yeah, the Powell was on today. He's going to be on tomorrow. What do you think of the Viacom over Solonachicos for solution? Yeah, they had to liquidate, man. How much did they sell? I think they sold like 2.3 billion. That's obviously caused a lot of panic on the stock itself. And there also might be more margin, more hedges blowing up from the next couple months. That's the only thing I'm scared of for Viacom and Discovery. After we saw the bounce yesterday, a small technical bounce, both of the stocks are pulling on back. But like I said, let them find some support before we pull the trigger. That's exactly where I messed up on Netflix. I forgot what catalyst Netflix had that caused it to collapse. And I hopped in way too fast, way too early, and I got burned. Yeah, stocks are pretty quiet today. Someone have the volume on GameStop. The volume. 4.4 million. Damn. What's a 10-year? 10-year 1.65. If that 10-year goes back to like 1.8 level, I'm telling you, I think stocks are going to take a massive hit. No, Powell was on an hour ago. He's on tomorrow again. Do you think the market's quiet because of inflation, market crash concerns? They were obviously waiting. We were waiting for Powell to speak. He always obviously has a huge influence on the market. Interest rates, inflation, market crash concerns. You have Michael Burry going MIA, disappearing off of Twitter after he warned about hyperinflation and how this is all a bubble, it's gonna pop, market's gonna come down collapsing. So I'm very careful right now too. Be very careful. And I can't find him on Twitter anymore. I think he just disappeared. Hyperinflation. All right, we got 37 minutes left. And so far, it seems like we're going to bounce here on Tesla at 674, just like we did after we came down from 682. Bounced up to 682 again. Right now, came down from 674, bounced to 670, and now we're back at 674. The true test here, are we going to break above or pull on back? Let's see, let's see. Let's have our alert just in case. Add more shares on the way down. I'm nervous to open any new long positions at the moment. I would too, I would too. Well, fun zone, I want Viacom, 100%. I'm just waiting for defense and support. I don't want to get fooled. APXT, not a lot of volume. Very consistent pattern. Look at this. Run at market open, pulls back. Market open, pulls back. Spike at market open, pulls back. Oh, this is not good. We've closed the gap. Look how long it took for it to close the gap. November levels. I mean, I don't know what your plan with APXT is. On the 1 minute, obviously, there's no volume. That's a big red flag already for me. TTCF. I've heard about this stock. Same one, similar. Not a lot of volume. Oh, look at this massive V recovery here. Early December, late November. This is insane. I mean, I like this recovery. I would possibly see a dip buy right around these levels, around 12, 13. But right now, uh, Sales guidance estimates. It just came from earnings too. No. See, with trades like these, the way I see it is just opportunity cost. All right. Look at this. Can't trust Tesla, man. I have my guts telling me this thing's gonna close near lows. Coming back down 670. Let's see if we have another leg down. You just gotta love Tesla, man. But of course, the stock doesn't love me back. Where's the White Claws? No White Claws today, baby. We're hitting the gym hard today. We're putting on the headphones. We're focusing. We're gonna have a full body workout today. How did SOS play out? Forgot about that stock. I know it had some pretty decent after hours price momentum yesterday. Even pre-market was pretty promising. I gotta give it to SOS. It had a pretty. It's up 34% today, coming down from the dip here at 524. I'm telling you, this is some people were throwing in DD about the scam of this company. There's a couple of videos out there as well on YouTube that talk about, oh my God, Tesla just sank. There we go. There we go. This is what I want to see. Triple sixes, give me them. Give me them. So we have 6 shares at an average price of 681. Obviously, horrible average price. We're not down a lot, but wait for this bad boy to come through. Tesla, I can read you like a book. Wait for this to come down. I'm scared to touch SOS, honestly. Apart from a momentum, a possible momentum dip trade, dip buy, I would never invest in on this long term. Oh no, GameStop, are you gonna give me that bottom here? Are you gonna double bottom at 176? Buy low, sell high always works. Absolutely. Does anyone here watching already have a position in Viacom or Discovery? I'm curious. Like they've already bought the dip and they're just waiting for the bounce. Would you go with FTFT instead of SOS? Honestly, like I said, um, no, I wouldn't go with any. Oh my God, on the daily, it's just been sideways here at 8s. Apart from these spikes here, 1129, 1074, some support right around 420. There's the play is just I don't see it there, you know. And like I said, if I were to go with any other stock, it'd be Viacom or Disco. That's just my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is playing out my mind, what I think. Come on, GameStop. Tom Brady's just like gone or something. Tom Brady left us, guys. We need some momentum into GameStop. And Tesla, the 30-minute, way oversold. No sign of a bounce. No sign of recovery yet. I appreciate that, Brad. No, I don't do options anymore. I've gotten burned bad on options. Stick to what you know, stick to what works. Stay true to your principles, and everything's gonna be all right. Manage your risk, and you'll always live to see another trading day. So keep that in mind. That's why I don't do options anymore. Solely shares. You're getting a lot of hate on AMC Reddit. As expected, as I said, I knew what this would possibly do to the channel. I was aware. I could have put the video down. I could have not made the video. But transparency, honesty, always number one. I appreciate that, Sam. And you know what scares me the most, guys? What scares me the most is how the majority of people are so sold on the idea. They're so convinced that I sold out, that I'm a hedgie. That's what scares me the most. And it scares me. Like, it makes me not want to buy AMC anymore, if I'm being honest. It scares me. No, no SOS. I'm not buying SOS. All right, come on down, Tesla. Come on down. Come on down. Rafiki, he's right here in the back. He's with Jamer. I'm still waiting, James. I'm still waiting to get approved on Voyager. Waiting to trade crypto. All right, here we go. Here we go. Pull on back, baby. Neo, are you following? Neo's probably towards the lows. Oh, do I want to swing trade this? Let's take a look at the history. Last time we had an aggressive sell-off here on the 4 hour, we went a couple days just selling off on the 4 hour before we had that pretty decent push here on the 9th of March. There might be a triple bottom. You guys see this? This McDonald's logo. Triple bottom at 34. I feel like if I buy now and it continues to sell off at 34, I might get burned. Apple hitting new highs? Nope. Still pulling back. Healthy pullback. Nasdaq pulling on back. It looks like Nasdaq wants to go flat today. SPY as well, 405. Viacom still selling off. Disca pulling on back, 43.12. Let these stocks find some support. Xpeng, ooh. Of course, another EV in China. Let's wait for it to pull on back. Give you some time. I could already see the EV plays, the EV bounce we're gonna execute. Skills, yes, I have my alert. I think skills pulled back. SKLZ. This one, oh, I'm interested. I think Tammy brought this one up on Sunday when we were watching on Thursday when we were watching stocks to watch for next week, for this week. Let's see if skills pulls on back under 16. Why? Because I love buying things on a downtrend. I like buying things that are I like catching the falling knife, if I'm being honest. Arby's IPO. Look at this 5 minute. Ooh, talk about swings, man. It hit 20, pulled on back that same day to 18. Next day it gaps up, and then it sells off back to 18, bounces to 19, and now we're dipping at 781. Interesting. I like it. I like it. I'll reset my alert. Mara on a downtrend too. Where's Mara? Marathon. I think this was another one that was brought. I was watching Mara back when it was $5. Are you kidding me? Wow, that's insane. Well, too late now. On the 4 hour, we're selling off. Another possible dead cat play. Not dead cat. I guess you could say just dip buy. Dead cat would I'd consider is a like a gap down. A gap down would be a dead cat. So let's see if this one actually pulls back to estimate here at 39. Interested, interested. This is why I don't chase near the highs, never. I think we saw this last week when it was, or it was like $50 before it hit the new highs. And this is why I do not chase the highs. 'Cause then you buy, it pulls on back, and you get spooked. I'll be broadcasting, yeah. I ain't leaving. It was all the freaking Arby's, man. You think Neil will touch $36 today? It already did. Low of the day is 36.95. Oh, I agree with you, Michael Riley. I agree with you. I think that's why Tesla's might struggle up slightly in China. Obviously, Neil's gonna dominate. Oh, yeah, free stonks on Weeble. Let's see what kind of free stonks we have. I think we had two free stonks this morning, two or three. We have three, and we had the broken streak yesterday with LSCC, baby. They broke the streak. They blessed us with the $49 share. All right, let's unbox this one. My gut is telling me Tesla. You know why? Because I got another email saying there's 4,000 Tesla shares that they're giving out. Three, two, one. Ay, ay, ay. WPF. What if Weeble gave us AMC? That would be a sign. I take everything as a sign. I'm coming for WPF CEO, baby. I'm the father of WPF. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Trying to see if we have any breaking news on Twitter apart from GameStop just dangling here at 69, 669. We have 20 minutes left. Tom Brady, I don't smell him. I haven't smelled him. He hasn't pulled on through. Oh, with the Apple Car news. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about the Apple Car. I mean, I love the phones. I love the MacBooks, the PCs, whatnot. But I don't know if I'll ever be driving an Apple Car. Powell talk today. He was on about an hour and a half ago. We have him again tomorrow. Tesla looks like it found some support. I still think it might sell off into market close. Apart from a small bounce we might get here at 670s, we're still red on the day. He was too busy at Disney trolling Star Wars. All right, here we go. Next leg down. Is it coming down? Watch Nasdaq. Tesla has been really following Nasdaq today. Some days Tesla is literally, I'm telling you, its own freaking beast. Tech could be selling off aggressively, and you'll see Tesla up like 20%. It's craziest things ever. I love those days. I can't wait for another one of those days where you just open your freaking portfolio and it's just flaring green. Green. How's Alibaba, man? I haven't taken a look at Alibaba. This one reminds Alibaba literally look at the freaking chart. Alibaba literally reminds me of Boeing. Funny, Boeing is ticker symbol BA. Alibaba is BABA. Look at the aggressiveness on these swings and these gap downs and gap ups. It's really insane. As of now, some resistance at 240, almost near the half dollar here at 250, slightly pulling on back. If there's a double bottom at 211, I've been waiting to buy Alibaba sub 200. Give me sub 200. How's Boeing today? Down. Anybody have some airlines? Some American Airlines, some Delta Airlines, Boeing. What are your thoughts on QDEL? There we go. Oh, avoid it. I would avoid it. Guys, number one thing for me is volume. If I'm going to be trading something, in this case, going off of technicals trading, swing trading, volume, volume, volume. Get that through your head, guys. Volume, volume, volume. They found Jack Ma. That's the reason I wanted to buy the dead cat on Alibaba, in which, in this case, we were right about the dead cat. But I did not think it would jump this quick. Look, it gapped down literally on when? Going into the, what is this, December 23? And literally on December 29th, it was already back up at 237. I thought it would take at least like 2 weeks maybe for it to bounce and gap back up. Literally in a matter of days. This is when Mr. Jack Ma was missing. When he was talking smack. I don't even want to get into it. But if you know, you know. No, the volume. You can straight up tell about the volume. Like what was that stock again? QD what? QDEF? You'll literally see an uptick. It'll look like a barcode. I think another one was Zom, I think, right? Yeah, see this. This is not good. All right, Tessa, you're gonna come back up and bounce on the five. We literally have 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Are you swinging Tessa? I only have 6 shares. 6 shares is nothing. Six shares is a very small position. I kind of wanted more on the dip, but we did not get the triple six. As of now, we literally just balanced and retest that previous level before it comes down under. In this case, 674 resistance. It bounced. Now that I'm sorry. 674 was support. Pulls on back, bounces. Now that's resistance. Pulls on back under 670, which was support. Now it's testing that, which is now, from the looks of it, resistance. So every support level becomes resistance and vice versa. It can happen the other way around. Resistance can become support. So always remember that. And this is exactly what we're seeing today on Tesla. Support becoming resistance. And as of now, we're trying to balance here at 670. But like I said, 670 was the support level like a 30 minutes ago. And now we're struggling here. If we pull on back, we can obviously see that double bottom here at 668. See some new lows, but it looks like we're bouncing. But yeah, I'm swinging those 6 shares. Yeah, Mr. Jack Ma made a video. He was missing for a while. He obviously spoke bad about the banks too. Trey loves the crap out of Zom. I think he loves Zom, right? I think he's deep. That's the thing, man. I think Trey did some like I think he's obviously really a great analyst, and I think he did some amazing DD on Zom. He's looking at the fundamentals, deck, cash, everything. I'm not. I'm just looking at the chart. I'm looking at the 1 minute. I'm like, this is barcode city. I don't want this. That's just me. And look, like we said, 670's previous support is now becoming resistance. Tesla is struggling here in the last 15 minutes since the market closes. Let's see if we have a random push here. A random last minute bounce. Last minute dip buyers who actually want to swing Tesla because it is down 30% on the day. Can we see that? I believe we can. Let's break above. Come on. Six 671. Let's go. Tom Brady's not here, man. Patrick, I'm in even worse. I'm in at 681. I have a worse average price. Bad. I'm not finding any news. Everyone in DC age 16 or older will become eligible for a COVID vaccine on April 19. Okay, we got that. What price would I enter Viacom? Obviously, it's trying to find some support here on the $43, $44 mark. But if I could get in sub 40s, yeah, that would be great. You got in Benji, someone me stocks a 1K loss and dumped as much as I can into Neo. I believe it's a $5 stock sooner or later, 100 end of year. Yeah. If you're going in long term, you believe in the fate, you believe in your analysis, by all means go for it. And if anything changes along that journey, in this case, sort of the end of the year, then you have to adapt. You have to adapt. Adapt or die, baby. Man, GameStop really didn't really do a lot today. Just a lot of sideways support. We look at the fifth. The only thing that scares me on technical wise is the 15 minute. If they pulls back, we have my red line here at 170. But the key here is just holding these levels. Similar patterns. Yeah, I don't think Tom Brady's coming through today. I don't know where he's been. He's been really quiet. How did Facebook do today? Oh, Facebook. This is why the stock market doesn't make sense. This is why I love technicals. If Facebook had that massive data leak. When was it? Last week? 530 million users. And the stock is up 2% today. Look at the 15 minute. This is crazy. Who here is holding Facebook? Maybe even Microsoft. Netflix, 547. And even here, there was a university here in freaking Cali. I forgot how many students' freaking social security numbers were leaked. Everything. Can you imagine that? Not good. Where's the love for GameStop? Down 3.3%. All right, let's see. You guys think we see a new low on Tesla? I think we possibly can. I'm taking my guess. I think we see a new low. Very slow, man. Very slow. New low is not a meme. That's what we want. We want to grab some more. It's a really slow day today. I agree with you, Keith. All right, out of nowhere, it looks like we're picking up. GameStop, we need to break out at least 180, close above 180 for us. Let's shoot for 180. We still got some time. We got 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. Let's go 670s. Pull on back. I'll see you later, Gardenom. Sundial I became a back holder with that and knock. I sold Sundial. I was in like 80 something cents before all of this craze happened on freaking Reddit and Wall Street Bets. I'm telling you, as soon as I sold, it got halted. I got really lucky on this. I think I sold around the four something, four something. I woke up, my price target was literally like $2. When your price target is $2 and you wake up and the stock is at four, you sell. I take my profit and I haven't rebought. Literally at one. And if I'm not mistaken, Sundial has a compliance to trade above $1 by June or July, or else it gets delisted. I hope Tesla crashes. Absolutely. Bring those prices down, man. Let me grab some. You're stuck in at $2. See, at that point, if it was at $2 before it shot up to $4, I don't know if you bought I don't know if you didn't take profits or you bought the dip. I don't know which one it is, but even if I wasn't invested before the spike, I wouldn't have chased it at $2. I would have not. And if I would have had a plan, and I would have just cut my loss right away. Because then this happens. There's no worse feeling than getting caught holding a bag. I think even Warren Buffett says something like that about like if you've been playing poker for like an hour and you still don't know who the sucker is, you're the sucker. Yeah, fun zone, man. Tesla hit 539, I believe was the low. 539. That one time we pulled back. 538.12, I believe. 539. Oh man. We got in, but we had I think we had like 50 shares of Tesla. Timed it so bad. It literally fell from it fell from 650s when we got in to 539. I was getting wrecked. That's exactly what I mean. The stock, I love the stock. I love Tesla, but Tesla doesn't love me back. Kathy Wood loves me though. She saved me. Setting those crazy 4,000 price targets for 2025. Bull case on Tesla and 1,500 bear case. See, Alan, you just lost a couple $100, but use that pain and learn from it. You do not want to make the same mistake. You do not want to make the same mistake. And that's why I think paper trading sometimes doesn't work. There's no emotions tied to that. There's no value in paper trading. All right, it looks like Tesla says no. It said no, I'm not closing near the lows. Literally a minute left. Let's see if we at least close here at 670s, possibly for another red day tomorrow. Hopefully we have the gap to fill here at 660 so we can hop in again. Will there be a bounce? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. We have 30 seconds, 39 seconds. Or we're just swinging 6 shares, guys. Nothing crazy. Just in case, why, if it continues to sell off aggressively, I don't get burned and I don't get caught holding the bag again. Looks like we'll have to buy Tesla another day. Yeah. Patience, patience. Oh, wow. Is it really going to sell off here? Oh, here we go. 6-5. Market close, baby. Here we go. Market close. It's a loud bell. GameStop closed at 177.97. What did we close for AMC? 985. Did we have any block orders come through? 287K. Usually we see some pretty decent block orders on AMC and GameStop. 72K. These dark pools, baby. Tesla, 301,000. What's going on, Adam? Welcome back. So yeah, guys, that was today's day. A very slow day. Looks like we were waiting for Powell. We have Powell again tomorrow. Not rushing these trades or these dip buys, I guess. I should say these dip buys. I wouldn't do paper trading. I just started with a few hundred or low amounts of money and then buy a few shares. Yeah. Usually the hard way I learned was losing via options. And this is just what's my Top Shot username for I forgot my username on there. But I do have a Top Shot account. When's the next Top Shot drop? I know Smiley knows for sure. The next NFT Top Shot drop. Top Shot drops are like literally guaranteed profits. Like you buy a pack and you're gonna flip it right away. It's like a 99.9% chance of you making a profit. I'll see you later, William. Take care. Make sure you get your deadlifts in. And I never get these freaking Top Shots. That's the thing. It's like they took me off their email list. They just removed me. And every time I freaking get the email to join the Top Shot waiting list, I join and I'm like 40,000 in line. I'm at the end and there's only like 20K packs. He tweeted, let's check out. Roaring Kitty did tweet. Let's see it. He tweeted, I don't know what this is. Buy Apple stock at that. I guess that's what he's saying. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. Um, we'll be back tomorrow. Pre-market. See if we have any lower prices. See what Powell speaks to us about. And if he does move the market, obviously, it's most likely going to be red. But let's wait to cash these discounts. Everything red except Apple. Yeah, Apple killed it today. Apple was the real winner. Let's see. Let's see. That being said, guys, thank you guys for tuning on in. I'll see you guys tomorrow, baby. Pre-market.